Definitely, Spotlight continues on the upcoming budget. We caught up with a whole host of experts and market voices to understand what the street is penciling in. Let's hear out from Timothy Mo, Gautam Chachoria, Manish Tangi, and Rajesh Bhatia.
The union budget, we think that there will be still a slight degree further fiscal consolidation from what we think will come out to be somewhere between 4.4 to 4.6% of GDP for this current fiscal year. We think that the budget will be about 4.9%. The fiscal deficit will be, around that, maybe a touch wider.
The fiscal consolidation roadmap, the room to really stimulate in a meaningful way is limited. However, what they would be looking for is signals towards course correction in terms of the spending mix. Any signals we see around that is what the market should be looking at. Secondly, look, historically, we have seen the budget becoming more and more about fiscal policy rather than a big platform to announce reforms. Again, do we see a change in that? That can matter for sentiment as far as the budget day is concerned. But for investors, they would look at direction towards fiscal consolidation roadmap and spending mix.
The markets sort of are looking at surprises, both on the positive and negative side. If the budget is going to deliver in mundane 4.5% fiscal deficit reduction with few PLIs thrown in, with tariffs hike in metals and some other sectors, all of that is sort of a BAU.
I'm not really expecting the budget to be a turning point. At least that's not my expectation. Look, we have to go through an inevitable fiscal consolidation. This year also, a fiscal will actually be a drag. It doesn't matter how you cut it. And it's a very responsible thing for the government to do, because I think this government has emphasized macro stability more than growth. And I think post the COVID crisis, we did go up to 9% of GDP as fiscal deficit. We have come down to probably 4.9. Maybe the number will be lower for financial year 25, and we are targeting 4.4 for financial year 26.
Okay, so those are the expectations coming in, pretty much calling it mundane, BAU, and not expecting it to be a big inflection point. But